I forward.
Is your letter the one contained at page 93 of our bundle?
Yes, it is the one.
Did you get a response of that letter?
Yes, I got a response from the Public Service Board that is contained in page 94.
And what does the letter say?
They are not employees of County Government of Meru. I got another one from the Chief Officer, Legal Affairs, Public Service, Administration and Management. That is in page 95. Again indicating they are not employees of County Government of Meru. I got another one from the Fire Service in charge of Meru County, contained in page 97, again indicating they are not employees or they are not among the firefighters in Meru.
Thank you. Let us move to the other roadside equipment at Kianjai.
Yes.
Again, were you present during that rally or meeting?
Yes, I was.
Can you remember the date?
It is 11th of November 2022. Though I know ironically, when I looked at the motion, the date was indicated as being on a certain date in September. I don't remember. But the actual date was 11th of November 2022.
What transpired at Kianjai?
When we had a meeting at Kianjai, the public rally, there was a request from the public about the garbage that was in that area, and also about the security of the open air market in that area, the traders and that request. And what governor did, because the garbage was so huge at that area, he decided to talk to the sub-county administrator to ensure that that one is done, and he requested if he can have someone doing it from the community.
Thank you. So again, was any name forwarded to the County Public Service Board?
No.
To recruit anyone from Kianjai?
No.
Thank you. Let us move on to the issue of the municipality board of Meru.
Yes.
Again, were you present at that meeting?
Yes, I was.
You were?
Yes.
What transpired on that date, and which date was it?
I don't remember the exact date, but what happened, there was some commotions within Meru town, whereby we had 3 groups of taxis, taxi drivers or taxi operators that had some issues with one another, and they approached the governor to solve the problem. Governor called a meeting at Kinoru Stadium for the 3 groups, and in the meeting they agreed to form a small committee that will oversee implementation of what was discussed in that meeting.
Is that small committee you're referring to, was it rather in the municipality board? Was it told to usurp the role of the municipality board, or what were the terms and reference of that committee created?
The committee was from within the members of the taxi drivers or operators, and their mandate was only to solve their internal problems.
Thank you. Have you come across the affidavit by Edward Bundi Geoffrey?
Yes, I have.
Do you know Edward Bundi Geoffrey?
Yes, I know him.
Who is he?
He is one of the tax operators in Meru County.
Was he present at that meeting?
Yes.
I will again not ask you any questions on that affidavit because obviously you would have no personal knowledge of the same. Has the municipality board in any way talked about this issue?
Yes, they have.
They have.
Yes.
What have they said about this issue?
The board had a meeting that was held on 16th of December 2022 when they had this issue of impeachment that was relating to their role or the activities of municipal board. And after the meeting, they intended a letter to that effect. That letter of the municipal board is contained in page number 102.
What is contained in that letter?
Is the letter from the chairman affirming that they have been implementing their mandate as they were given. There was no parallel committee, and there had no issues with the governor or any other person as pertains to their mandate as the municipal board.
Confirm again the page where that letter appears. Is it page 102?
Yes, it is.
Or volume 2?
Yes.
Thank you. Let us move on to something else. The governor has been accused of forcefully entering into the compound of the Meru County Assembly on 19th, is it 19th?
Yes.
Of October 2022?
Yes.
Were you present on that date when the governor went to the County Assembly of Meru?
Yes, I was.
You were. So you have a first-hand experience
Yes.
and account of what transpired.
Yes.
Why had the governor gone to the County Assembly of Meru as the person in charge of her diary? Why had she gone there?
She had gone there to give a first address to the county government, to the County Assembly of Meru and the Meru community.
Was she gate crashing or she had any formal invitation of the same?
There was a formal invitation that was followed by a gazette notice of the same sitting of the County Assembly of Meru.
Yes, and so have you, or rather, has that gazette notice been produced before this court?
Yes.
This committee? So as we get the gazette notice, so this was a date that has been gazetted for the governor to address the Meru County Assembly.
Yes.
Is that the gazette notice appearing at page 155 of volume 2? Is it the
Yes, is the one.
Gazette notice number 12.5, is it 86? Yes. Did the governor ever get a degazettement of that date where she was supposed to address the Meru County Assembly?
No, she did not.
Did your office ever receive any letter cancelling the invitation for the governor to attend?
No letter.
No letter. But did you ever get to hear of any lamentations that would affect the governor's address to the County Assembly of Meru?
Yes, I did.
We wish Honorable chair and the committee to yes, we're going to play video KMSIC attached to, rather uploaded in the flash disk with the help of the Secretariat. And the translation of that video, honorable members, is contained under page 5 of volume 2.
Our members,
who is that speaking?
The Speaker of the County Assembly of Meru.
Mitre ya ngavana ya Ngugi na yao itigwitaniri. Mitre yao ya Ngugi na ngavana itigwitate. Na bauga ngavana na limweya na counter address speech ya waruju. Na bauga batikwiwa bene inya ngavana ejabali ya ruju. Kwao abakuromba ngavana
we can pause a bit, Chair. So, who are the people you've been able to identify in that video?
I've seen the Speaker of the County Assembly of Meru.
The name?
The name is Ayub Bundi Solomon.
And who else?
I've also seen the leader of majority.
The name?
Evans Mawera Karia. I've seen the leader of minority, Mwenda Idhiri.
That was a witness here yesterday?
Yes. I've seen the mover of the motion, who is also the minority whip, Dennis Kiogora, DMK.
Yes.
I've also seen the Deputy Speaker of the County Assembly of Meru.
Thank you. Let us proceed with the video.
Mwiro walero wa mbunge member 69 na speaker ro number 7 Lwalero lwetu twindekate lwetu ni uwetekani ukatu wetekanirio na bojairi members ibakuga ibakaritie baegeria kwalia na ngavana auga akariria members after vetting ya CEC na members auga batirindi kukurukia CEC batia mbito kwa ndia ndiguru babanga nguye county Meru wekagitate eta bojetatu bauga temanze ova kwariria kintu kira barenda kiarirwa na inya imbechira chito one fund bechira betikaniria ningana na urega iteitai igaita ngugi o members bakuga mwanka aria baga karandi gurubetikaniria mantu ya mbeche cia one fund na members koja weshima ria ngavana enturene ciao then ubwara go karika bakauga bate tayari ukaraniria ndina na ngavana nontu ibakuba kenyuri manjariko mantu jau imakani rongo.
The movers of the motion and witnesses categorically appeared before this committee and denied that the ward fund was an issue. Kindly explain what the Speaker was saying.
The Speaker had given 3 issues. Issue number 1.
This, before you proceed, this was a day before the governor was set to appear to the county assembly to address them.
Yes, that is on 18th.
Thank you. Proceed.
1, he said that all the members have agreed and there will be one. And in the agreement,
when you say all the members, there is something the Speaker says. How many members?
He said 69 members and him being the 70th member.
The 70th,
70th member.
Thank you. Proceed. So, so the Speaker counts himself as part of the MCAs?
Yes.
Thank you. Proceed.
Then he said if governor is not going to talk to them, they will not pass the list of the CECs that she unforwarded to them.
And what did they want the governor to talk to them about? What was their demand?
That was number 3, the governor to address the issue of ward fund.
Thank you. So the issue is 2 threats. What were the 2 threats?
The threats were they are not ready to sit with the governor, and they do not allow the governor to address the county assembly of Meru on 19th.
And in respect to her appointments of CECs?
In respect to the appointment of the CECs, they will not pass them unless governor talks to them.
Thank you. Let us play another video. That is a KMS1B. KMS1B. The transcript is found at page 4 of volume 2.
Waheshimiwa wamekaa chini wakasema pia vile gavana anasema ana nafasi ya kuongea nao, pia waheshimiwa hata kuwa nafasi ya kumsikiza kesho siku ambaye alikuwa afanye county address yake. Ndio sababu tunasema ya kuwa
we can have the video post for the chair's communication. Thank you.
Weru boma na burabu daragira mtu wonde